Okay, assalamu alaikum, and guys, welcome back. And we are going to start our class of mathematics. Basically, we are going to start from our primary concepts, and our topic of discussion will be numbers today. The question here is, what's a number? A number is any quantity that can take the form of fraction, decimal, or whole number. So that's why in some books you'll see number, then whole number, fraction, number, decimals. In fact, those are the three first chapters of any book of primary of mathematics. We are going to discuss this thing at length because they frame in using different concepts during national exam. Like when we're talking about place value of whole numbers, because we will categorize into two. We are going to talk about the place value of whole numbers as well as the place value of number containing decimals in our next class. Now today we will discuss much about place value and the total value of whole numbers. To start with, let's see examples from place value. Place value. So let's see example one. Let's see example one. You're told what is the place value of the digits and the line. So su-aasha waxay ku leedahay waa maxay qiimaha lambarka hoosta laga xariiqay, because lambar kastoo lagu siiyo lambarkaas wuxuu ka koobnaan doonaa tirooyin oo lambaro is wata. Marka lambar kastoo lambarkaas ku dhex jiro ayaa waxaan ogaanaynaa marka qiimo ahaan meeshu kaga jiro. That's what they're going to see. Then aan ka bilaabna marka let's start with this one. Let's see this one. 96458. So let's underline 4 now. This is 96,458. We want to get the value of digit 4 in this number. Waxaan heli rabnaa qiimaha lambarkan 4 qiimuhu kaga jiro. Ma qiimaha 100 ku kaga jira, 100 of value mu kaga jira, ama 10 the value of 10, or the ones value mu kaga jira, or the 1000 value mu kaga jira. That's what we're going to see. Marka we will start from less inta so bilaabina. This ones, tens, hundreds. So far it's number waxaa qoraysaa marka hundreds. 100 qoraysaa 100 marka qorto s ala aynaysaa marka hundreds ala. Then let's go to B and see the next one, that is 387325. Let's see this one. 7325. This what we have it. So kan waxaa la ones, kan waxaa la tens, kan waxaa la 100, kan waxaa la 1000, kan waxaa la marka 10,000. So we're going to say 10,000. You add s, 10,000. That's what they're going to say. Then let me add another one. 4009685. Okay, let's underline this one, digit 4. Let's underline what? Digit 4. So this is what you normally call ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then millions. So we are going to say this is millions. You see, this is what? Millions. So for place value of whole number, it's very easy. You will start from right to left, starting with ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. You move like that. So it's very easy, by the way. It is what? It is very, very easy. Then we will go ahead and see in our next example. We are going to see total value of whole numbers. This is what we are going to discuss here. The total value of whole numbers. Okay, let's see. You are told, let's write here total value. Total value. Example 1. Example, you are told, find the total value of the digits and the line. And the line means host laga hagaajaya. And the line that means number host laga hagaajaya. So let me take A as 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Let's take this one. So let's underline now 5. When you're told total value, markii total value laga hadlayo waxa sameynaysaa lambarka lagu instruct gari macnaha lagu amray inaad address total value giisa ayaad qoranaysaa. Write that number first. The number is 5. So any number or numbers that comes after it is considered as 0, and any number or numbers that comes before that number will be denied or ignored. Yeah, you ignore it. So marka Kisomali waxa waaye haddii lagu dhaha find the total value of any number, haddii lagu dhaha numberkaas aad qoranaysaa. Hadda lambarka noola diri waa number 5. Waa qoranayna markaan qorano lambarihii ama lambarkii ka dambeeya oo dhankan ka jira. Yeah, because kowa kasoo hormaray Soomaali that 4 kasoo hormaray yes, but 68 markaa fiiriso waa 2-digit number gaana ka jira. So lambarahan waxaa loo tixgelinayaa inay yihiin eber camal. Waxaa laga soo qaadaa eber ayaga labadooda. So we are going to say 500. Then labadan kasoo hormartay lambarka hoos laga xariiq ama lagu dalbay inaad raadisa and what macnaha waa iska iloobaysaa. Macnaha waxa ku bedelaysa zero ku bedelaysa waa iska iloobaysaa macnaha. From that moment maba ku qornaba macnaha. Just understand. So this is how we are going to get the total value of a number. Waxaa sameynaysaa lambarka qoranaysaa lambarihii ka dambeeya ama lambarkii gadaashiisa imaada waxaa u tixgelinaysaa inuu 0 yahay macnaha 00 ka dhigaysaa wixii kasoo hormara hatta 10 lambar haday yahay hataa waa iska iloobaysaa marka. Let me write example 2 986547. Let's see this one. Let's see this one. Let's say this is the number line 8. So 8 waxaa gadaal ka jira afar lambar yeah. So asaga qorina marka 8. The moment you write 8, any number or numbers that comes after it is considered as 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be 80,000 because we are not considering 9. We will not give consideration to digit 9 because that number comes before the number. Yeah. So let me add another one of this one 69085. And qaynuunka hadda wuxuu ahay raacini yeah lambarka lagu diri let's say 0 hadda lagu diri. We want to get the total value of digit 0. So we will only write 0. Why? Because lambarahan kale ma qori kartid because lambar ma qoraas telephone number 00 number plus 00 ka bilaanayno. So lambarka haduu 0 haddii lagu dira the total value of 0 waxaa sameynaysaa ida qoraysaa bis wherever it is in the number. Saas uu socdaa. Then qaybta marka oo dhahay total value application value leedahay. So let's see now the application part of this kind of mathematics. So this is how you're going to get the total value of a number. Number ka istagaysa lambarihii gadaashiisa jira waxaa u tixgelinaysaa 0 and any number or numbers that come before it. Lambarkii ama lambaranta kasoo marana waxaa waa iloobaysaa macnaha noobaba ku qoran saacada islaan bilaab. So let's see the application part because this part has got some application. Let's see how questions of statement comes from this concept of mathematics. You'll be told, let me write this one, the application. Yeah, let me write example 1. You're told how many times is the total value of digit 6 is greater than the total value of digit 2 in the given number. So this must be a question mark. So assume this is the number we are having 6, 4, 5, 7, 2, 9, 8. Now what's important is our content is what? How many times? Yeah, this how many times is very important in this statement. So what you're going to do is the moment you have such a question in the exam and there are two numbers that are highlighted in the statement. Those two numbers are what? 6 and what? And digit 2, yeah? Let me write it 2, sorry. Write it 2. Yes. And digit 2. So what you're going to do is, remember this is digit 2. Digit 2. Now, let me get the total value of, I will say total value of 6. It will be 6, then it will be 6 million, yeah? 6 million. Then the total value of 2 will be will be 200. So far you are told how many times we are going to divide. We are going to divide these two. We are going to say 6 million divided by 200. Cancel this one. By 2, 1 by 2, 3. So it will be 30,000 times. 30,000 times. How many times? That would be 30,000 times. So if you are told how many times, get the total value of the two numbers highlighted, then divide. Now carry out the division, then you're going to get the final answer. Now let's see example 2 from this concept of mathematics. Let's see example 2 from this concept of mathematics. Another statement question can come during national exam, which reads like this. Let's say this example 2. How many more? How many more? In our previous example, it was how many times. This will be how many more. Is the total value of digit 8. Digit 8 is greater than the total value of digit 2. Let me say of digit 4 in the given number. In the given number. That's question now. So this time we are saying how many more. If you see the word how many more at you subtract. The total value of digit 8 and the total value of the other number digit 4, then you subtract. So this is what you're having, 6 and 6, let's say 3, 4, 2, 7. Now let's get total value of 8. Total value of 8. It will be 800,000. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will have 5 zeros. Then total value of 4 now. Total value of 4. It will be 400. Now, so far they said how many more we subtract. So we are going to say 800,000 minus 400. That will give us 0, 0, 6, 9, 9, then 7. So that is 799,600. So these are the possible questions that can come from this concept of mathematics. In our next class, we are going to discuss how to write numbers in words and words in figures. So that's the end of our program today. Please make sure you subscribe this academic YouTube channel. It will help you. Otherwise, I wish you the best.